Hi everyone, I just wanted to get this awesome light coming down. It's sunset now on Bodmin Moor, and that is just stunning, absolutely stunning. That noise you can hear is cars going over the cattle grid. Weird noise. Right, now for the close-up. Sorry, my camera's not brilliant, is it? That's all the village is. All those little lights are all the villages. In the background there. And there's quite a few little villages. Everyone's just starting to put on their lights. It's really amazing. I'll do a little short on the cattle grid in a minute, so if you wanted to see that, you can. But yeah, it's really weird how it's really light there, and the cloud formation. Look at the cloud formation. Wow. And if I go right out, you can sort of see that, which is amazing. Absolutely amazing. The camera is trying to struggle because it's really dark where I'm standing, but over there is really light. And then that cloud formation, look at that, it's like a massive hole in the cloud. You can actually see blue sky there. And then it goes really dark, and my camera's trying to struggle to lighten up a bit. And this cloud just stretches over. If you can see, that cloud is just so dark. It's almost black, but there is a little bit of blue sky there. It's very strange, but it's also fascinating. That's a nice bit of cloud formation there. Holes in the cloud. And then the sun just going down. Look at the way the sun is just beaming through there. Isn't that strange? But beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. See how the I just put my finger there, and no, that's not going to work. Okay, it's just the cloud's just really bubbly. And that is a cloudy day, sunset in Cornwall. How beautiful is that? Please like and subscribe. Thank you very much. Bye bye.